So in this video I'm going to show you how to extrude up to a surface. First you need to launch the new Peel.CAD Pro. You can then go to File and import a mesh into scan-to-cad, or if you're in the home screen you can go and browse for a mesh to import. Once you've imported the mesh, we have these new menus that just collapse and expand. And if you want to undock those, you can by just clicking on the little lock, and they will then unlock. So what I need to do first is just create a surface on this scan. So if I just go to a single patch, puts me into the lasso tool, and this toolbar can now float, or if you want to lock it to the interface, you can do that also. So I'm just going to lasso exactly where I want that surface to be, and then I can just deselect what I don't need. Once happy, I can go preview and just see how well that's fitted. If I need more resolution, I can increase this. And that's fitting nicer now. And now you'll see, as you're creating that surface, the ability to create an actual CAD surface. So I'm going to click on that and select OK. So I've now fitted that on. You can click on that single patch and just check the accuracy of that. And that's looking pretty good. Okay, so once you've done that, you now have a surface under the modeling menu now. And now I want to create a sketch. So I can go to create a sketch, and I can do, for example, a mesh sketch straight off of the scan data and draw over top of that polyline, or I can basically just go no polyline sketch, and I'm going to create a new plane just by offsetting the original datum plane. So we'll just go XY, and I'm just going to pull that back in that direction just a little bit, just for the demo's sake. Okay, and then we can go confirm. So once I've done that, obviously I can't see anything to trace around or draw, so I'm just going to go back to my navigation and then turn on my mesh. And if it's pointing in the wrong direction, I can flip the direction. Here we go. Now I'm just going to create a basic shape just to show you what we are talking about. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Go back to my modeling tab and just accept that sketch. So we've now just created a 2D sketch on a plane. And then we can just simply go up to the modeling dialog, hover on the extrusion tool. I'll just do that one more time on the drop down. We can revolve and extrude. So I'm choosing extrude. I can then just choose my base plane or sketch to extrude. I can then merge it with another solid or create a new solid extrusion, or then cut to a surface. But I want to actually extrude just up to a surface. That's all I need to do. And then I just choose the surface to extrude up to. If I just turn the visibility of the scan data off, you can see it's already extruded up to that face. So you could use this sort of functionality to create form blocks, or if you're designing something to attach perfectly to a scan, this is a great way of doing it also.